loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chanelle Novosey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really simple Mother's Day DIYs. If you didn't see mine from last year, click this link right here to check it out. It was pretty cool. I think I'm going to make this a tradition, do some really cool gifting ideas for mothers. So first off, we're going to make some art decor. I'm going to be using crayons that I got from the Dollar Tree. This has 36 crayons in here. You can use the original Crayola brand if you like. Also, I'll be using a 16 by 20 inch canvas that I got from Michael's. Also, you'll be needing a blow dryer and a hot glue gun. So everything will be listed down in the description box if you want to know what I used in today's DIY. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So first, I'm going to go ahead and get the order that I want to use my crayons in. So these are all the colors that I like, and these are the colors that were left over, and I don't necessarily want to add these colors to my art, so I'm going to go ahead and take another pack of crayons and add in more of these colors. So here are all the crayons that I'm going to be using on my canvas. I would suggest getting 2 packs just to make sure you have enough to go across the whole canvas board. So next I'm simply just going to hot glue these down to my canvas. So next I'm simply just going to take my blow dryer and blow on the crayons to create some art. So here's what it will look like once you went ahead and you blow dried all of your crayons to your liking. I love this. This is so much fun. This is a really great idea to do for Mother's Day with the kids or even with your girlfriends or just to have fun on your own. Okay, love, so for my next DIY, I'm going to be showing you how to make a blinged out Mother's Day apron. If you have a mother that crafts or does any DIYs, this would be perfect for her. Even if she paints or cooks around the house, this would be perfect. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were $2.99 each, and the blue jean apron came from Hobby Lobby as well. So I'm going to iron these on. We're also going to add bling to the pockets as well as the neckline. Let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so first you're going to remove this plastic film from the top of the letters. So once you have it in the position that you want it to be at, I'm going to take a cotton pillowcase and put it over the M.O.M bling so that it won't get messed up, and then use the iron to secure the letters down. So you're going to put your iron on the cotton setting and have it to about 350 degrees. And it says that you can hold it for 17 seconds. Remove your pillowcase, and there you go. Should be nice and secure. It's definitely on there. That looks super cute. Just want to move it around to make sure. If it does lift, just go back over it with the iron, but that looks really good. So next I'm going to take my bling sticker, and it has adhesive on the back of it, and I'm going to cut 2 rows up and do that twice and use that for my pockets. Although this does have adhesive on the back of it, I'm going to use some hot glue to make sure that it's secured down. So first, remove the plastic from the back. I'm going to add some hot glue to the pocket. Then add your bling. So since there's a little bit of room right here, I'm going to take some extra bling and just measure it and just fill it up right there. So I'm going to take my bling stickers and add a line of this to the middle of the pockets as well. So here's what it'll look like once you went ahead and you added your bling to your pockets as well as to the front for your mom sign. I'm going to go ahead and now add some bling to the neckline. I'm just going to iron this to get it nice and flat. So I'm going to follow the same method. I'm going to simply measure across. If it's not enough, just add some more to the side. And here's the finished product. This turned out super cute. Everything I use will be listed in the description box. So thank you so much for tuning in, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Make sure that you subscribe and also check out my previous videos, and I'll see you all really soon in another DIY.